You stay late just for me, don't you?
It's just work.
Don't lie to me.
These videos are going viral right now on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. 3D fruit videos, you've definitely seen them while scrolling. And here's what's crazy. Some small channels are turning these into full series, episode after episode, with the same fruit characters. And almost every video is hitting millions of views. Just simple short clips going viral again and again. And yes, they are making real money from it. Now you might be thinking, this must be hard to create. Maybe you need animation skills or expensive software. But that's not true. The reality is these videos are being created using AI tools, and most of them are completely free. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create the exact same viral 3D fruit videos using only free AI tools without spending any money. All right, let's get started. To make things super easy for you, I've already created a powerful super prompt template. This template is designed to help you generate consistent characters across every scene while also making it much easier to create complete stories and videos without confusion. It basically does most of the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on creativity instead of technical details. You'll find the link to this master prompt template in the comments section below, so make sure to check it out and start using it right away. Step number 1, first open ChatGPT. After that, go back to your Google Docs file that contains the prompt and copy the first prompt from the template. Return to ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box and click Generate. ChatGPT will run and then proceed to ask you a few questions. One of them will be to define your characters. This is where your creativity kicks in. For example, here I'm going to create fruit-based characters. So I'll simply type the name of the fruit and also describe what the character is wearing. Adding these details is very important because it helps keep the character consistent throughout the entire video and makes everything much easier for the viewer to understand. You can choose whatever fruits you want. It could even be vegetables or other creative objects as your characters. It works with almost anything. The key idea here is to create strong, clear, and consistent character descriptions that we will later in the video use as visuals. ChatGPT has generated 3 detailed character descriptions for us. Step number 2. Next, we will have to create our images. For this, we will be using Google Flow AI. Open Google Flow and sign up if you don't have an account yet. Next, choose the aspect ratio, then copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here and hit enter. Within few seconds, our first image will be ready. Copy the second image and do the same. Also do the same for the third image. Within a short while, all of our images will be successfully created. Step number 3. Next, go back to our prompt and copy the second section of it and copy it, paste it into ChatGPT. And hot enter, ChatGPT will start creating your story in a structured way. You'll see it generate around 10 scenes based on your idea. Each scene will include detailed image prompts, along with short video prompts that also contain dialogues. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate the image prompts we will need for this video. May start by copying the first image prompt and pasting it into the Google Flow AI prompt box. Then click Generate. Do the same for the second image prompt. The images will begin to process. Go ahead and do it for all the image prompts. The process is simple. Just copy each prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI exactly like I'm doing here. Within seconds, our images will be ready for us to use. It's important to make sure you don't miss any image prompt because each one represents a key scene in your story. By following this process carefully, you'll have a complete set of consistent visuals that match your characters and story perfectly, ready to be used in your video. One more thing to keep in mind, AI isn't perfect, and sometimes it makes mistakes. So, it's important to go through all your generated images and check if any scene needs tweaking. For example, in my case, I noticed one image wasn't quite right. I wanted that scene to take place in a hospital. I just clicked on the image, noted the changes I wanted, and then clicked Generate again. Nano Banana AI corrected it in just a few seconds. I found one more image that needed a small adjustment, so I made that change as well. All of our images have been created now, and they look very polished and nice. Next, we will be converting these images to interactive videos. Step number 4, start by selecting the first image scene you generated. Then click on the 3 dots on the image and choose the animate option. This will bring the image into the prompt box ready for video generation. Next, I'll go back to ChatGPT and locate the video prompt under the first image prompt. This section contains the dialogues and action for that scene. Copy this part and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. Then do the same for the second image and also the rest of the images. If you have watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Within few minutes, the videos will be ready and you can see how amazing they look. AI is not perfect yet, so if you notice the video not being generated as you want, you can always tell the guy to change it to what you want. Step number 5. Now open Capcut and start importing all the video clips you've created. Once all the clips are imported, drag them onto the timeline in the correct sequence, following the story order. This ensures your video flows smoothly from scene to scene. After arranging them, select all the clips and create a compound clip. This step helps remove the watermark. Simply scale the video slightly so the watermark is no longer visible. One important thing to keep in mind is adding background music. In this tutorial, I'm not including music to avoid any copyright issues, but you can freely add music if you're creating short videos. There won't be any problems with that. Now, once you've added music if you choose to, click Export and save your final video in 4K resolution for the best quality. And that's it. Your complete polished video is now ready to share.
You're the only one I trust with this. I'll try my best, sir.
No, I need more than your best.
You stay late just for me, don't you?
It's just work.
Don't lie to me. Again?
Again? This late?
Work. It's been crazy.
Or is it something else?
You think I don't notice?
You're overthinking.
Then look me in the eyes and say it.
I'm trying. I really am.
Then why does it feel like I'm losing you?
I don't know anymore. No, this can't. What am I gonna do?
We're having a baby.
Yes. This changes everything.
Our baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm the happiest man alive. Why? Does the baby look like that?
I can explain.
No, don't. You broke everything.
I'm sorry.
Sorry isn't enough.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.